welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Knowles and welcome back to Knowles episode. So for those who have subscribed to my channel, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, homies. Welcome back, fam. And for those who are new and haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button below and right next to it the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment down on the comment section down below. Thank you. Let's get to it. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to use during this process. So I'm going to need a comb and I'm going to need a plastic band, obviously that you saw. And then unfortunately styling gel and the moisturizer, which is my favorite because it not only helps with detangling the hair, but it also helps with hydrating your hair, which is very important, guys. It's very important to hydrate your hair. And speaking in regards to hydrating your hair, I have aloe vera juice and some water, which is the best solution to hydrating your hair. And I also put some Jamaican oil in it as well. So 3 in 1. Now we're gonna untie the hair and then we're gonna spray it. We're gonna open up the lines first, but it is always best, guys, to spray your hair with water. Okay, the reason why I'm pointing on the side is because I'm telling you that I'm gonna be looking on the side instead of directly to the camera because my mirror is right next to the camera. So that's why I'm looking on the side. I'm looking at the mirror. And guys, as you can see, I'm opening up a line, trying to make it as perfect and neat as possible so that our hairstyle is as neat as possible. And then we're gonna give it a bit of spray just to hydrate the hair because it's obviously very important for the hair. And then it's always important, guys, to first spray your hair before you section it, before you divide it, because then you don't want to be tearing your hair or causing any further damage to your hair. So spray it first so that it's nice and soft, and then you can section it. And then now, as you can see, I am done with opening up a straight line, well, as straight as possible. Now what I'm gonna do is give it a little bit of a spray just to make it a bit more softer, and then we're gonna open up another line, which now that's where we will start to make our twisted cornrows. So as you can see, guys, I showed you that first I put the moisturizer because obviously we need to moisturize our hair before styling it, and obviously as well you need to moisturize your hair from time to time because it needs the moisturizers, it needs the products. So as you can see, I'm starting to twist my hair. It's pretty simple, guys. What you do is you just take section by section. You take a section at the back and then you twist it over to the other side at the back. It's pretty simple. You just take the hair, twist, take the hair, twist, take the hair, twist, take the hair and twist. It's that simple. And then you twist it up until the end, and when you get to the end, you do a braid. You don't know, as you can see, I braided it all the way to the back, to the end. It's not necessary for you to braid it all the way to the end, because now when you have to tie the hair, you will need to undo the braiding at the end. So I'm gonna show you another one again, but I'm sure you guys got it by now because it's very, very simple. So you just take the front hair, you twist it to the back, and then take the next hair, twist it to the back, and it's that simple. Don't mind my nails, guys. Ish. You know, this whole thing, because last week I dyed my hair black and this dye is still coming out. But because I'm gonna be putting some styling gel to my hair, I'm gonna be washing it tomorrow, because as you know that styling gel is not your friend when it comes to your hair. It is not your best friend. It is not your friend. It is bad for your hair. So immediately if you do a hairstyle and you happen to put styling gel, just make sure you wash it the same day after the styling, or you can wash it latest the next day. Now I'm going to show you one last one on this side. We're just going to twist the hair to the back. As you can see, I know I'm a bit fast, but hopefully you guys have got it now how it's done. And if you're not sure, you can just try it on your own hair, and trust me, you'll get it. It's very, very simple. I'm just gonna fix the one right next to it because it wasn't done properly. So I'm gonna undo it and then do it again, but I'm not gonna show you guys. So now what I've done here at the back is I have sprayed my hair with water to hydrate the hair, and then I have applied my moisturizer and also unfortunately applied the styling gel. I've applied this. And voila, what do we have? A hairstyle to die for. If you guys would like to see more of these videos, you can drop me a comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.